Iran, we did not agree to dismantle anything Ukraine's war zone. Opposition sets 24-hour election deadline to end fiery protests that killed at least 2 people. SP says that Tim Geithner called to threaten them after they downgraded the U.S. in 2011. State Department's own guards attacked U.S. Benghazi mission. China's nuclear missile drill seen as warning to U.S. not to meddle in region. PLA could be defeated in an hour in nuclear war with U.S. Report Russia plans cruise missile tests, bomber patrols for 2014. Iran, we did not agree to dismantle anything. Home featured Iran, we did not agree to dismantle anything. Iran, we did not agree to dismantle anything. 0 Switzerland. Iran's foreign minister accused the U.S. of mischaracterizing the terms of an interim nuclear deal that went into effect on Monday. We did not agree to dismantle anything, Mohammad Javad,